how to connect dogs to Bybit. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect dogs to Bybit. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the dogs app on Telegram and click on the deposit to exchange option. Over here, you will see a list of exchanges. Select Bybit. After that, make sure you already have a Bybit account. If you do, click Yes, I have it to proceed. Then input your Bybit UID, dog's deposit address, and memo. Next, go to your Bybit account and navigate to your profile to locate your UID. Copy the UID and paste it into the required field in the docs app. After that, go to the assets section in Bybit, click on deposit and search for docs. Then select the docs token, choose the TON network and copy the wallet address and memo. Now go back to the docs app, paste the wallet address and memo and double check all the details. So that's how you can connect docs to Bybit. That's all for this video.